Looking for a room rental with a difference? Get ready to fall in love with this gorgeous apartment with spectacular greenery and panoramic sea views.
Imagine waking up to $1 million view every day and night in every bedroom. This stunning unit offers 5 rooms for rent, catering to various budgets. This apartment is bathed in natural light thanks to its full-height window panels, creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere. I simply love the magnificent view, especially in the evenings when all the lights come on and you can simply chillax in your balcony, feel the gentle breeze, and let your stress melt away. It's a perfect spot for stretching exercises or meditation. There are 2 bedrooms that are directly accessible to the balcony, offering a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. There's a free shuttle bus from the condo to Kent MRT station, or you can take a short bus ride to Kent MRT or Buona Vista MRT, connecting you to the Circle Line or East-West MRT lines. As a tenant, you will have access to full condo facilities, perfect for relaxation and recreation. Studies show that living near green spaces helps reduce stress and lowers depression, contributing to better mental health. With Kent Park at your doorstep and full condo facilities within, you have everything you need for a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Whether you are in Singapore for work or studies, this location is ideal. It's close to many tertiary institutions and work nodes, such as Science Park, One North, Mapletree Business City.
Don't miss out on this unique living experience. Do call me, Evelyn, at 9787 2020. Your dream rental awaits.